Hey guys, the stationary engineer here. I just want to show you a quick way that you can verify that your hot surface igniter is bad. Now in this case, we can actually see that we are burned out here. I know full well that this does not work, but I just want to give you a quick tip on how to check it. Now first of all, we are working with the Frigidaire / Electrolux item 5304 517325 hot surface igniter. This is for a stackable washer and dryer. So I just want to show you electrically how we can test that. So here we have our multimeter set to continuity or ohms resistance. We can take our leads, put them on the posts here, and you can clearly see we do not have continuity because we do not have tone going across those. Now, if this was good, we would get a tone and we would have some resistance measured on the meter. I don't know what that resistance would be, but we would have something. So again, just a quick tip. Just want to show you how you can verify that these are in fact bad, because sometimes it is not so obvious that they are bad. There you go. Thanks for watching The Stationary Engineer.